Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today let us learn how to prepare simple Vrat wala Sabudana Khichdi. It is a Shivratri special recipe. Let's quickly go and check out the ingredients required. Here I have taken 1 cup of sabudana. I have cleanly washed it, then drained the water completely, and then just have sprinkled 1 glass of water and left it for 1 hour. You can see that the sabudana has become soft. For 1 cup of sabudana here I have taken half cup of groundnuts. Groundnuts gives a very good taste over here. Next I have taken 3 crushed green chilies, few curry leaves and salt. Salt over here is optional. Next I have taken 4 to 5 spoons of oil, 1 spoon of cumin seeds and 1 spoon of mustard seeds. First here we need to dry roast the groundnut. Switch on the stove and keep it in sim and then dry roast it. Next you can peel off the skin of the groundnut or just add it as it is. Here I am going to add as it is. Allow it to cool for 1 or 2 minutes and then blend it. We need to blend just for 1 rotation. Don't blend it completely. Don't make it a powder. Just crush them. Like this. Next take a mixing bowl. In that add sabudana. Then add the crushed groundnuts. Next add salt. Here you can add even senda namak. Here I am going to add normal salt. This is optional guys, you can skip it. Next I am adding green chilies. You can add green chilies directly, but crushing and adding gives a very good taste. Now gently mix everything. Next take a pan and add oil into it. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Allow it to crackle for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add this sabudana mixture to the kadai. Now give it a good mix. We need to fry this sabudana in this pan for about 5 to 10 minutes till the color changes. That's it. Simple Sabudana Khichdi for Vrat is ready to eat. If you like this recipe, then do try this in your home for this Shivratri and do let me know how it tastes in comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Soon we'll meet in a new video with a new recipe. Till then stay tuned. Bye bye.